Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reddss for Daddy Reddss Promotions, and this is Talking News. In this episode, I'm just going to talk the things regarding Like, Protege, Jesse Royal. You know what to do: like, comment, subscribe, share. Show that you care. Talking News is here. All right. Recently, Lila IK went on her Instagram, whatever social media it was, and, saying she's going to address other things during the time it comes for her to address them. We see ranting and raving, but whatever. And mental health and this and that. Please. And then Protege said, yeah, love sis, something like that. Continue the mission. And later on, Jesse Royal said, just strength. People, let me tell Uno something right now. Fire burn them. Exactly. Because it don't go like that. Listen, if everybody want to do their little freak thing, that's up to them to do them little freak thing. But you're not going to come fuck up the blood clot music with me name Daddy Reddss The Reggae Ambassador. That's right, with that music, I will always cause a musical massacre. And nobody gonna come fuck up the music and come lie. The devil cannot enter this music. A Jah music. Bob Marley said, this is the greatest music for all human beings. And he didn't have to say it for us to know it. Anybody that don't like reggae, they're evil, they're my enemy. And that includes those that don't like reggae and pretending they liking it and trying to turn that shit to a gay. Bumbleclad. Or what happened to them people? No, never, not on my watch. Reggae Ambassador say this. Can you imagine? One boy dressed up in a Santa Claus, and the next one looked like one little bitch, like he's somebody Mooma or something like that, one time in Vex. And the gal there one suck pussy gal. No, sir, we have to defend the reggae music. That's how I go. Reggae straight to the world. So all this, they can lie down, sleep with who they want to sleep, but you're not going to come, twist up your hair, and start talking about Rastafari and reggae. And you're a million miles away like Peter Tosh say. No, it's not going down like that. Listen, who know the truth? Just open your mouth. For real. And burn out this. And you have some little, how can I say, lopsided, loose, fuck up people out there to it's just love. It is not love. It's a corruption. And you're not going to corrupt reggae. Fuck off. Exactly. Reggae Ambassador. That's what I'm talking about. Can you imagine? And then, talking about mission. What mission? The mission is to try and destroy us black people. Up ye mighty race. You see the bullshit in our face. It's a disgrace. And doing them things you cannot get God's grace. Them things they hate. Are anti people. If they want to be anti, let them be anti. But you're not going to come try and fuck up the music and talk this and talk that. Never. And all the hypocrites, fire burn hypocrites. Exactly. We don't play that. People, either you stand for something or you stand for nothing at all. I stand for reggae music. I stand for the black culture. I stand for the real humanity. Hugh, you have a color. Hey, I stand for humanity. Me a Gaviite all day. African. And for anybody that's going to come try and say, we was here on this side of the world, listen, all the landmasters was joined, and nowhere greater in our story, because I don't know about his story, have they ever had a greater society than what? They call the whole place Ethiopia, and the state of it was called Kemet, land of the blacks. All right? This is a black people thing, and they want to corrupt it with some little cave people something. Can you imagine them little yellow bumbleclad people? And them call me Daddy Reddss, but me closer to like, less than that. Me no brown like them people. Them complexion people will come fuck up the earth. Come on, man. Everybody know how to do. Sometimes they let them slide in just to fuck us up. But you're not fucking up my reggae music. Yo, when they made this music, they made it for me. That's right. They made it for me. Reggae Ambassador. Can you imagine? Yeah. Y'all people think I can't talk? Of course I can talk. This is garbage. Girl, if you want to go do your sucky, go on. But you're not going to fuck up the youth and the people that's grown with a weak mind. No, never, ever, ever, ever. And whoever's supporting her, support her. But just know that shit is garbage and it's not going on down like that. Could you imagine, people? Yo, all I have to say is more fire, more fire, more fire. Come on, that's garbage. Make them scatter, make them flee. Don't you know, say that them live too dirty. What them trying to preach, we not buying it. What them trying to preach, we not buying it. What they trying to sell, we not trying it. What they trying to sell, we not trying it. Yeah, that's not a mistake. I said those lines that way on purpose. Yo, it's not happening. Reggae music, I always tell you, this is my solemn vow. I love you. And I will never, ever let you down. Because I'm Daddy Reddss, and I'm the Reggae Ambassador, and I will always cause a musical massacre. Dread out for now. This is Talking News. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and show that you care. And all of them dirty people, guess what? Cock up on your ears and hear. We're going to get a bomb and a missile, and they're going to boom up. Should I say they're going to burn up because we're going to bust a nuclear. Y'all out of here.